Hey guys, so I have here my JBL Pulse 4, and in case you're experiencing any issues or any other problems, then you can try to perform a factory reset to fix those issues. So I want to show you how this is done today. And so right now the speaker here is connected to my smartphone here. You can see this is connected, and so the factory reset is performed by pressing and holding the pause play and the volume up button. So you press and hold these at the same time, and after about 5 seconds the speaker is going to turn off by itself. So this was already the factory reset. You can see here now on my phone the speaker is disconnected, and now when I turn on the speaker again, then at this point the speaker will not be able to immediately connect back to my phone here, because it does forget everything about any prior connections. So the phone recognizes this too, and it wants us to forget the speaker here. So we're going to press here forget device, and the speaker is already in the pairing mode. So if we are going to look for a new Bluetooth device here on the bottom of my list, then we are just going to select it here, and we are paired again to the speaker, and we're ready to go. Yeah, okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, please write a message below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.